Happy Monday, everyone. Let's correct our workbook page, page 150, with mixed numbers. Number 1, 2 and 1/2, 2 1/2. Number 2, 3 and 1/4, 3 and 1/4. Number 3, 1 and 2/5. Number 4, 1 and 1/4. Number 5, 1 and 3/4. And you had to write that out. Write the word 1, the word and, write the word 3, and then the word fourths. It's like the fourths is the word for, F-O-U-R, and then it has T-H-S on the end. Any denominator number usually has the number word, and then the T-H-S at the end, like fourths, eighths, tenths, has T-H-S at the end of the number word for the denominator. 6, 2, and 2/3. So your number words should have been 2, T-W-O, and 2, T-W-O, thirds. Thirds, threes, the number word for 3 changes to T-H-I-R-D-S for the fraction. So number 7, 1 and 2/6. So your number words should have been 1 and 2, T-W-O, sixths. It's X-I-X, 6, with the T-H-S. Number 8, 2 and 4/7. So your number words were 2 and 4/7. 7, S-E-V-E-N, and then T-H-S on the end, sevenths. Number 9, 3 and 7/10. So your number words were 3 and 7 and tenths. The number word 10, T-E-N, with T-H-S on the end, tenths. Okay, let's look at the lesson. Go ahead and get your textbook. It's page 400 today, 400 to 401, and you'll need a piece of paper. Today, for lesson 12.8, we are going to add fractions with the same denominator. When you're adding fractions with the same denominator, all you need to do is add the top numbers. The bottom will stay the same. So let's look at the example. It wants you to look on the number line. On page 400, it's asking you to add 1/8 plus 3/8. So if you start at the 1/8, you can see I put my dot there. I'm starting at the 1/8. My number line is cut up into 8 pieces, and I'm starting at 1/8. Then I'm going to add 3/8 more. So this would be 1 more 8, this would be 1 more 8, and this would be 1 more 8. So I can skip down my number line, just like we did with multiplication. We moved down the number line. So we're doing it for addition too. We were at the 1, and we want to move down 3 more. So I'd go 1, 2, 3 more, and end up here at 4/8. So my answer would be 4/8. And you can see, if you put your fractions together in a number sentence, 1/8 plus 3/8 equals, your 8s stay the same, but you're going to add the 1 plus the 3 and get 4/8. So your answer for that is 4/8. Let's look at some of the problems. On 401, let's look at number 1. Number 1, it wants you to add 1/3 plus 1/3. So it has 2 1/3s, and you're adding them together. Your thirds are going to stay the same, and your denominator stays the same. Your numerator changes. It's 1 plus 1. So now you have 2/3, and that's your answer, 2/3. Number 2, you're adding 3/5 plus 1/5. Your numerator stays the same, and you're adding your numerator. 3 plus 1, 4/5. You can also do it on a number line if you want to draw those out. I can show you the example. There's your number line. You're starting at 0, and you move down and you break it up into 5 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections, and this would be 1 or 5 out of 5. And you were starting at 3/5. This is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. So you're starting here at 3/5, and you're going one more down. 4/5. So you see your answer is 4/5 that way also. Okay, let's get going. Number 3. You're adding 2/4 plus 1/4. Remember, your denominators stay the same, and you add your numerators. 2 plus 1. Your answer is 3/4. Let's go to number 4. Three sixths plus 2/6. Denominator stays the same, and you add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Your answer is 5/6. Let's try one more, and I'll have you do some on your own. Let's try number 5. Number 5 says 3/7 plus 3/7. Denominator stays the same. And let's add the numerators. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So your answer is 6/7. I would like you to pause the video and try 6, 7, 8, and 9 on page 401. And then when you have those completed, start the video to check your answers. Okay, let's check those answers. Number 6. You would have gotten 5/8 for your answer. Number 7, you should have gotten 8/9 for your answer. Number 8, should have gotten 8/10. And number 9, you should have gotten 9/12 for your answer. Now let's look at 10 and 11, because those are a little bit different than anything. I've showed you the number line for 12 and 13, but I want to show you 10 and 11 with the strips. So it shows you a number 10, a strip that's broken into 6 pieces. So let's go ahead and do that. This is number 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, just like in number 10. Some of those pieces are colored purple. 2 of them. So let's write that. 2 out of my 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 out of my 6 pieces are purple. And I want to add a colored in, let's see, I don't have orange, maybe I have green, I could color those green. And then 3 of the 6 pieces are the other color. And that's kind of what it looks like, with 1 on the end not filled in. So this is 2 purples and 3 of the other color. In the book it's orange. I'm doing green because I don't have orange. Okay?